Standard 6, Unit 2, Force and Motion. Assignment question and answers. Part A, Roman number 1, 1 mark questions. Question number 1. When there is a change of position of an object with respect to time, then it is called dash. நேரத்தை பொறுத்து ஒரு பொருளின் நிலை மாறிக்கொண்டே இருந்தால் அந்த பொருள் இயக்கத்தில் உள்ளது என்று பொருள். So answer is motion. Question number 2. When there is no change of position of an object with respect to time, then it is called dash. நேரத்தை பொறுத்து ஒரு பொருளின் நிலை மாறவில்லை எனில் அந்த பொருள் ஓய்வு நிலையில் உள்ளது என்று பொருள். Answer rest. Question number 3. What is called as the distance travelled by an object in unit time? Answer speed. Question number 4. If an object covers uniform distances in uniform intervals, then the motion of the object is called dash. ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட கால இடைவெளியில் சம அளவு தொலைவினை ஒரு பொருள் கடந்தால் அதனை நாம் சீரான இயக்கம் என்று அழைக்கலாம். So answer is uniform motion. Question number 5. If an object covers non-uniform distances in non-uniform intervals, then the motion of the object is called dash. வெவ்வேறு அளவிலான கால இடைவெளியில் வெவ்வேறு அளவு தொலைவினை கடந்தால் அதனை நாம் சீரற்ற இயக்கம் என்று அழைக்கலாம். So answer is non-uniform motion. Question number 6. Unit of speed is dash. Answer meter by second. Question number 7. Oscillatory motion among the following is dash. Answer to and fro movement of a vibrating string. Question number 8. The correct relation among the following is dash. Answer speed is equal to distance by time. Question number 9. Average speed is calculated by dash. Answer distance travelled by time taken. S is equal to d by t. Question number 10. The distance travelled is calculated by dash. Answer speed into time. Part B, Roman number 2, short answer. Question number 1. Define force. Answer forces are push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. Question number 2. Name different types of motion based on the path. Answer linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, zigzag motion or irregular motion. Question number 3. If you are sitting in a moving car, will you be at rest or motion with respect to your friend sitting next to you? Answer I will be at rest with respect to my friend sitting with me in a moving car. Question number 4. Rotation of the earth is a periodic motion. Justify. Answer rotation of the earth is a periodic motion because it takes an equal interval of time for all rotations. Question number 5. Differentiate between rotational and curvilinear motion. Rotational motion is the movement of a body about its own axis. Curvilinear motion is the movement of a body along a curved path. Example for rotational motion is rotating top. Example for curvilinear motion is throwing a ball. Part C, Roman number 3, write in detail. Question number 1. What is motion? Classify different types of motion with examples. Answer. Motion is a change in the position of an object with respect to time. We can classify the motion based on path, based on duration and based on speed. Based on path, the motion can be classified as linear motion, example, a coconut falling from a tree. Curvilinear motion, example, throwing a ball. Circular motion, example, a tip of hands of a clock. Rotatory motion, example, motion of a spinning top. Oscillatory motion, example, children playing in a swing. Zigzag or irregular motion, example, motion of mosquitoes. Based on duration, we can classify the motion as periodic motion, example, revolution of moon around the earth. Non-periodic motion, example, motion of water waves. Based on speed, motion can be classified as uniform motion, example, motion of earth around the sun. Non-uniform motion, moving train. Part D, Roman number 4, activity. Question number 1. Identify the type of motion in the following pictures. A. The movement of cradle. Answer. Oscillatory motion. B. A moving train. Answer. Linear motion. C. A flying bird. Answer. Zigzag or irregular motion. Unit 5, The Living World of Animals. Part A, Roman number 1, 1 mark questions. Question number 1. Dwelling place of an organism is known as dash. Answer. Habitat. Question number 2. Which of the following is multicellular organism? Answer. Bird. Question number 3. Gills in fish helps to absorb dash. Answer. Oxygen. Question number 4. Which living being can see one object with one eye and the other object with other eye? Answer. Birds. Question number 5. Camel's hump has fat for dash. Answer. Own nourishment. Question number 6. Minimum resistance to air in birds is provided by dash. Answer. Streamlined body. Question number 7. Unicellular organisms have dash. Answer. None of the above. Question number 8. Living things are made up of small units called dash. Answer. Cells. Question number 9. Unicellular organisms perform all their physiological activities by dash. Answer. Organelles. Question number 10. Division of labor exists among cells in dash. Answer. Multicellular. Part B, Roman number 2, very short answer. Question number 1. Define biodiversity. Answer. Biodiversity may be defined as the variety and variability among living organisms and the habitats in which they live. Question number 2. Write any 2 examples for unicellular organism. Answer. Amoeba, Paramecium and Euglena are unicellular organisms. Question number 3. Write any 4 differences between unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Answer. Unicellular organisms are made up of a single cell. Multicellular organisms are made up of many cells. Unicellular organisms are generally very small in size. Multicellular organisms are mostly large in size. Unicellular organisms lack tissues, organs, and organ systems. Multicellular organisms composed of tissues, organs, and organ systems. Example for unicellular organism is amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Example for multicellular organism is earthworm, fish, and frog. Question number 4. Write any two adaptations of lizard. Answer. Some lizards have the capacity to rotate the head around the head joint. They breathe through lungs. Question number 5. What is the ship of the desert? Answer. Camel is the ship of the desert. Part C. Roman number 3. Write in detail. Question number 1. Explain about animal adaptations. Answer. A living thing can survive in a particular habitat if its body is adapted to the conditions of that habitat. Plants and animals develop special characteristics or features in their body in order to survive in their habitat. The presence of specific body features for certain habitats which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptations. Example, the fish live either in freshwater or in marine water. Amphibians lead a dual mode of life, living both in water and land. During larval stage, frog respire with the help of gills, and the adult frog respire through skin, lungs, and buccopharyngeal region. Part D, Roman number 4, Activity. Do you walk easily on soft hard sand? How camels walk easily on soft sand? Answer. The camel has long legs which help it to keep its body away from the hard sand in the desert. And a camel has large and flat padded feet which help it to walk easily on soft sand. Write these questions and answers in a A4 sheet and submit it as assignment. Thank you, children.